How to make homemade red velvet cake. Delicious recipe. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipe and COOKERIES channel. Today, we're going to indulge in a classic favorite, a homemade red velvet cake. This moist and velvety cake is a crowd pleaser, perfect for birthdays, special occasions, or simply satisfying your sweet tooth. So, let's dive right in and see how it's done. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our delicious recipes. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this red velvet cake. 2 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 1/2 cups vegetable oil. 1 cup buttermilk. 2 large eggs. 2 tablespoons red food coloring. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Preparation Part 1. Mixing dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk these dry ingredients together until well combined. Preparation Part 2. Mixing wet ingredients. Now, in a separate mixing bowl, we'll combine the wet ingredients. Start with 1 1/2 cups of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of red food coloring for that vibrant hue, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix these together until they're thoroughly combined. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring as you go. Continue to mix until you have a smooth and vibrant red cake batter. Preparation Part 3. Baking. Preparation Part 4. Cream cheese frosting. While our cakes are baking and cooling, let's whip up some cream cheese frosting. Eight ounces of cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Mix these together until creamy. Continue to mix until the frosting is smooth and fluffy. Our cakes should be cooled by now. It's time to frost them. Place one layer on your serving plate, add a generous amount of cream cheese frosting, and then top it with the second layer. Frost the top and sides until it's beautifully covered. And there you have it, a homemade red velvet cake that's not only visually stunning but incredibly delicious. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today on our multi-recipe and COOKERIES channel. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy baking! Thank you.